almost an entire block.
The car actually slammed into this utility pole before coming apart and bursting into flames. Crispin Burks lives right across the street from the crash scene, near Jackson and Belvedere. He tells me the wreck woke him up early this morning.
Heard a loud screeching noise, then kind of like what sounded like a car accident. So I woke up, came looked out this window, saw the car engulfed in flames.
A spokesperson for the Memphis Police Department tells me 27-year-old Jamelda Short and 24-year-old Jarquez Burks were killed in the crash. Parts and pieces of the car were littered down the block, the car bursting into flames on the lawn of a church. But it was on fire before it came to a stop.
Kind of coming from Family Dollar almost, all the way to where the car was just completely engulfed in flames.
Family members were too grief-stricken to go on camera, but described Short and Burks as a close couple who were very much in love. Burks tells me almost as soon as the accident happened, police were on the scene and that someone in traffic behind the crash called 911.
It was like a line of cars on the street, a couple cars parked right here, so I think it was a few people that actually saw it happen. They called 911.
Reporting in North Memphis, Tom Dees, Fox 13 News.
And witnesses also tell Fox 13 that the fire department doused the burning car with foam to put it out, and the car was nearly cut in half when it collided with the utility pole.